to my channel. If you're just tuning in, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this beautiful protective style, guys. This is like one of the most perfect protective styles I've had. It looks so good. You can always have a wig on it, or you can carry it that way if you want. Like, it looks full, it looks nice. This is what you all out there, my natural sisters and brothers, are like. All right, straight up to the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I just finished washing my hair. I just finished my wash day routine, and I want to go straight ahead into putting my hair into a simple protective style. I'm going to have that style for like a week or two, depending. Like I said, if you've been watching any of my natural hair videos since this year, 2021 January, I've been on a hair fast. Like, what I mean by hair fast is extension fast. So I haven't put in any kind of extensions on my hair except from wigs. I haven't put any wigs, like wigs to wear a wig. I haven't put any other extensions that pull my hair or anything. And the goal for that was to see if my edges will rejuvenate better. So far I think it has really been working well for me. My edges are not growing as fast as I want them to grow, like fill up like that, but at least I'm not losing them because of tension. On the other hand, I really miss looking flick on those long braids, like you just flick. I miss that a lot, but for now I think that can wait. Okay, so on today's video, like I said, I am putting this hair in a protective style. Let's go. So first things first, I guess I don't know if you know this. Yeah, good. Like, I've shown you guys this before. This is my conditioner. It's from Good. There it is. It's the Mamiya Organics Break-Free Leave-In Strengthener, black castor oil and avocado oil. Good. I love this. Till now, I think I'm really loving this. It doesn't leave my hair feeling heavy or anything, but at the same time, it really lets my hair loosens out my hair very well, and I'm grateful for that. So guys, check this out if you're in the market. I'll also be using Indian hemp hair cream, something you might know. I have my water bottle, my spray bottle, and I have my oil, jar of oil. Yeah, this is just any oil that you can get in the market. Just get whatever works for you. And this is my detangler's comb. There you go. And my picking comb, or whatever you guys call this tiny thing. Focus. There is focus. Good. Yeah, and up ahead we go. Sorry guys, I'm almost itching my hair. Like, I don't know, I think it's a habit now. I just keep touching my hair to itch it even when it's not itching. Even when it's not itching. Next step is to make a part in here. I'm not sure my pattern is very perfect, but I think it works. I think we're gonna get through it. So, just doing some simple flat twists. Hope you're able to see this. Until we get to this side. So I'll show you guys just another one. No breakage anymore. This you should learn. Learn. Don't let your hair all break off from your head though. So I think that's one of the advantages of not having extension on my hair. Like the breakages have reduced, actually, like reduced. So glad. But anyway, I'm just doing it for 6 months. I miss the braids already, so moving on. So yeah, so I'll do it again here and then we move. So pick that up like that. The hair. Take this to the back and take the next one forward. Guys, if you're not good, if you don't already know how to make your braids, this might be a bit difficult for you. But trust me, guys, practice makes perfect. If you guys want to see like another video, a more detailed video on how to make flat twists, let me know. Then probably I'll use a dummy. That way it's easier to film, or I'll just use someone else's hair. And now, like I said, it will be easier to film. isn't a difference. But anyways, I feel like either way, it's a style, it looks good. That's all that matters. Ooh, that hurt. Okay, and we're almost done. And out of here. And we're done. Ooh. So again, my book. Try to straighten that out a little more. There we go. You see that? You see this?
Dedicated.